Hello, everybody. Happy almost Thanksgiving. I want to show you guys what all you need to do this week to make sure you understand everything that you need to get done. So I know you guys are in cohort A and cohort B. Yours just has a different title up here. So you remote kids, this is pretty much what you see right now. For this week, check it out. What you need to get done first. There are three things I want you to do. Well, technically four things. I'm getting ahead of myself. Number one, Flipboard number 4. That's due tomorrow, okay? Make sure you get that done, today or tomorrow. The instructions are in right there. This is the fourth time we've done Flipboard. I told my kids in class, please make sure you're using a reliable news source when you do your Flipboard. I'm going to click on View Assignment just to make sure you guys can see this. So I gave y'all these charts, and they're kind of biased. They're biased charts, so you're not going to find anything that's not biased. But please make sure you're using a reliable news source. The stuff over here on the where's my mouse? Here we go. The stuff over here on the left, avoid using. These aren't reliable news sources. This stuff over here, not reliable news sources. This stuff up here, reliable news sources. Okay, I know in today's society, we're being flooded with constant information. Sometimes it's reliable, sometimes it's not reliable. So please make sure you're using a reliable news source when you do your Flipboard number 4. Okay. That being said, I'm going back to the classwork tab. You need to make sure you get that done today or tomorrow because that's due tomorrow. Flipboard number 4. You also want to make sure. I know some of you guys had difficulty with iReady last night. I got 2 emails from, actually, I take that back, 3 emails from 3 different people. I went in and it was even acting up on my end. So take a deep breath on that. I extended that. The due date will not show up on your end, but I extended it. So if you had problems last night, you've got all the rest of this week to get that done. So make sure you get that iReady citing evidence done. There's 2 different lessons in there, so make sure you rock that. Make sure you rock it, okay? So you got Flipboard number 4. If for some reason you didn't finish already, you got that going on. And then the 2 beacons are you got to make sure you finish Batman Noel. The reason why you got 2 things right here. These are only 2 things I've assigned this week. Your Batman Noel questions. It says, drop your answers to Batman Noel. Drop the answers to your Batman Noel questions here located under last week's Batman Noel tab. So this is just a Dropbox. When you guys finish reading Batman Noel and you finish all the questions, that's when you're going to drop them. So if you're wondering where that is, you guys are in class know that you got a copy of that that we're using in class. So you in class people, it says in class students, we are answering on the sheet that I provided for you on a separate sheet. Just do me a favor. Do not start over with them. Just take a picture of your answers and send them. You're going to drop them into this Dropbox. Okay, just take a picture. You don't need to rewrite everything because that's kind of silly at this point. You remote kids, what y'all are going to do, hopefully you've been doing it, is this document right here. You're going to type into this document. Now, keep in mind that there are 95% of them in chronological order, so that's good. So it should go pretty easy for you guys, and hopefully you've been doing that already. But when you finish that, you're going to drop them off right there. Make sure you're remote kids. You put your name on your document. Put your name on your document, okay? The other thing is your Batman Noel mini test. We're not going to be able to do some of the stuff in class I really wanted to get to with Batman Noel, but that's okay. We're going to take a deep breath. You guys, when you get done reading Bat Noel, take that mini test. Now, keep in mind, everything this year when taking a test is open note. So, there's no reason to make blow an oddy on this because it's open note. So make sure you have the text open. Make sure you have your questions beside you when you do that. It's just a mini test. It should not take you all day. But if you look at these due dates, this is due December 2nd. This is due December 1st. That's plenty of time to get that turned in. I don't want to hear a sob story about Mr. Beam. See what happened was I didn't want to do my work, and then I didn't want to do my work again, And then I didn't want to do my work again. And then I still didn't want to do my work. So please make sure that you get that done at a time from where you've got plenty of time, plenty of time, plenty of time. You can have 105 internet problems between now and December 2nd and still get that done. So make sure you rock that. It is open note. So already, if you had internet problems last night, it's extended. I'm not going to check it till later on this week, so you got time to get that done. Flipboard number 4, due tomorrow, so make sure you get that done, okay? Batman Noel questions, due December 1st. Batman Noel mini test, due December 2nd. And when these two close, there's no making them up because that's plenty of time to get that done. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. If you're having problems getting that completed, send me an email. Other than that, I'm just going to assume that you just didn't do it for some reason, okay? Because you got plenty of time, okay? Flipboard number 4 was assigned last week. I already was assigned last week, and like I said, I know I already was being a butthead last night, so I extended that, so you should have time to get that done, okay? If you got questions, send me an email. Oh, geez, I was going to say something else. No, I can't remember what it was. Happy Thanksgiving. Maybe I should just leave it at that. Hopefully you're staying safe. Don't forget when you're out in public, socially distance yourself. Make sure you wash your hands frequently. Make sure you wear that mask. I don't know if you guys are looking at the numbers. Our COVID numbers in Vance County are going up, up and away. So keep your distance. Wear your mask. Wash your hands all the time, all the time, all the time. Okay. So we want to keep them numbers down. Okay. Holler at me if you have a question, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.